My students use Seesaw to demonstrate and share their learning. We use it on our Chromebooks every day. It's really the best app I found for unlocking creative thinking and giving my students so many options to show what they know.
In science, we are working on a group project about the water cycle. We used a picture that I took last week at the beach to label 8 main steps of the water cycle.
My favorite example of figurative language on this page is shimmering veil of heat, which is imagery. Shimmering veil gives me a better picture of the kind of heat of that day, and it sounds cool.
So 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, so my answer is 2 over 6, or 2/6. Oh, I can simplify that. Kunal has 1/3 of his flour left.
Seesaw really helps with classroom engagement because they're the ones showing their thinking and their learning. They're getting a chance to draw or take pictures and then go a step further and explain their thinking, and it really cements the learning.